Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome to Adventures in Camping. This is Tattered and Worn Antique Shop. It is also in Lewisburg, West Virginia. Let's go inside and have a look. Pretty well organized, and they have Christmas stuff ready. They have a bunch of colonial American memorabilia. Some of this might be up your alley if you're a reenactor or you work in a group like Frontiersman Camping Fellowship, which is the service arm of the Royal Rangers. Might be nice in your office or your study. I'm going to be honest, I think man cave is belittling to men. We're men, not animals. Well, here's a nice find. Wow, it's a lot of antiques and near antiques. Be great for your camp. And hey, looks like my closet back there. Yeah, I'm kind of the flannel man, but wow, they've got a lot of good stuff in this. Man, this is awesome. I like it. Oh, look at that. That is huge. It's an enormous coffee cup. Woo! That might be enough caffeine for me for a day. I don't think I need this, but it is pretty cool. I always like walking through these places and finding old tools. Some of them are very useful, some of them not so much, but it's always cool. Yeah, it looks like an ash shovel, and oh wow, what's this? You know what that is? That's called a hash knife. Your cookie used to use that out on the trail. And there's another one, and both of these are double hash knives. Wow, I wonder if there's another one in here. Let's look around a little bit, just in case. I didn't see that right in front of the cup. That's another style of hash knife. Yes, you can use it on the trail. Your cookie might have it on his wagon, but you can use this anywhere. They're handy for cutting, and they were frequently used. You don't see them too much today, but that's a really cool find. Oh, and here's some more tools. I love finding tools in this place. However, I cannot buy them and bring them home. I have enough tools as it is, and I'm kind of limited on space. And here's some more stuff in the back. Wow, what's that down in the corner? Hang on a second. Wow, that appears to be an old tinsmith stake. It's not as heavy as it would be for blacksmith. Wow, anybody want a rain slicker? Well, they want $125 for it, and I don't want to spend that much money on a rain slicker that I don't really need. And I can't even find the size. Well, another lone skillet, poor thing, and a nice little kettle. That might be nice in camp. Oh, check out all of this. This is all salt glazed from Williamsburg, Virginia, the pottery factory. This stuff may be 18th century reproduction, but they don't make it anymore. And here's a large enamel pot. I just hope it's not a chamber pot. Well, I don't know what it is about this place, but there's another enormous enamel coffee cup. Wow. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so know when I put out a new video, and y'all come back now. You hear?